for Dante Palau making his way to the stage.
I like when beats drop, testing. Welcome to the Black Light Lounge, y'all. It's a beautiful night, right? In the Trump era. That's how you say it, though, you know, that's how you say it. Trump era. I'm gonna read you Good Times. It's a poem Russell made me read. Good Times 2017. So I wrote this poem because I like Good Times. It's a 1970s TV show. Actually, I have a book called Black Jesus, and I have it for sale for $7 if you're interested in getting it. I don't really print out a lot of these, so
I'm gonna need that.
Get it while it's hot. It's stressful printing it out. I'll tell you. I think if I had it. And if I have any left over, I have them at my bookstore tomorrow. But this book is based off of Good Times, the Black Jesus episode. Yeah, so it's one of my favorite episodes of Good Times. And I wrote this book, you know, it's kind of like for that. And it has all my Black Jesuses that I grew up with, because I grew up with Black Jesus. So this poem is called Good Times. This is a new poem. Fish don't fry. Fish don't fry. Fish don't fry. Fish don't fry up in the kitchen no more, no more. Fish don't fry, fish don't fry, fish don't fry. Fish don't fry up in the kitchen no more, no more. Fish don't fry, fish don't fry, fish don't fry. Fish don't fry up in the kitchen no more, no more. Dry your eyes, we overcome through hard times. Brick skyscrapers, they concentrate us till we die. You and I, we will survive through the sky, taking us out right before our eyes. We got the power, create the culture, groovy high. Come together, understand each other, building walls blocking us from one another. Love, king, queen, and thy neighbor, all confused up in a haze, and all the weather. Mother Earth gonna put your ass in danger. Mother Earth gonna put your ass in check. Respect her. Fish don't fry, fish don't fry, fish don't fry. Fish don't fry up in the kitchen no more, no more. Fish don't fry, fish don't fry, fish don't fry. Fish don't fry up in the kitchen no more, no more. Fish don't fry, fish don't fry, fish don't fry. Fish don't fry up in the kitchen no more, no more. That's it. So I'm the creator of Omnipotent Poetry. It's a new style of poetry that I created. It's on YouTube if you want to check it out. There's like a 7-minute video or something. Please check it out because it helps people with writer's block, mental health issues, racism, and all kind of good stuff. So it's a good prescription, you know, to your illnesses if you have any type of illnesses. So I'm gonna read you some omnipotent poems that I stitched together because they're only like supposed to be like a page. So these poems are called Pizza, Soul, and Helicopters. And when these poems are stitched together, you can rename it something. You can put 4 or 5, however you like it, you know, together, and you stitch them together. So this is called A Slice of Soulfly. Pizza. My ass is hungry. I really want a slice of pizza. I can't, 'cause everything is 17. I live my life. I'm gonna do me right. I am the gift. I am the God in me. My ass is hungry. I really want a slice of pizza. I can't, 'cause everything is $17. And all I wanna do is straight holler. I give it all I got with all my might. I live my life. I'm gonna do me right. I am the gift. I am the God in me. I am the God in me. I am the God in me. So she got soul. She got soul. She got soul. The master of her soul. He got soul. He got soul. He got soul. The master of his goal. I get the great, I be good. Hustling in the neighborhood. Get that guapa like you should. Fishing for the paper chase, we good. Attack back, now we attack back. Come harder with our soul. Try to slaughter us to no more existence. I got the flow of the resistance. I got the keys to the heavens. It's longevity equals happiness. Flip flats, black, she got soul. She got soul. She got soul. The master of her soul. Ooh. Helicopters. Helicopters in the sky. I got that bomb to you, baby. Flashlight station on my black ass. Helicopters in the sky. Hey, I got that bomb to you, baby. Flashlight station on my black ass. Helicopters in the sky. I got that bomb to you, baby. Flashlights station on my black ass. Why they wanna see me die? They don't care about my vision. Black ops to the wise guy. Why they wanna see me fry? Popeyes and Bojangles biscuits. Cause my heart I died. Why they wanna see me dumb? They don't care in the system. Can't afford a privileged education. Why they trying to block the sun? Gray clouds in my city shading us in aluminum. Do they cater to my extinction? 13th Amendment, 13%. Killing off another just to represent where we from. Village collectors set our hood. Gather our bands together and we will be all good. I got to be good, got no more credit in hope. And I ain't going out like no dope. No, hey, helicopters in the sky. I got that bomb to your baby. Flashlights stationed on my black ass. Helicopters in the sky. I got that bomb to your baby. Flashlights stationed on my black ass. Helicopters in the sky. I got that bomb to your 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 baby. Flashlights stationed on my black ass. last poem is a mix of whip flow. If you don't know me, I have a poem that's like 15 years old. It's a teenager, and it's called Visionary Flow. So this is a mixture of whip flow and visionary flow. So it's called Whip That Visionary Flow. So imagine like John Witherspoon saying that, whip that visionary flow. Yeah, okay, whip that visionary flow. Last poem. When I whip that flow, I know, I go. When I whip that flow, I know, I go. When I whip that flow, I know, I go. When I whip that flow, I know, I go. I'm so original, I know, I go. Visionary flow, I know, I go. Master of my soul, I know, I go. Honor your black gold, I know, I go. Crown your beautiful, I know, I go. Master of the gold, I know, I go. Ebo, Oko, Khan translates to give thanks, Ebo. I got that visionary flow, I know, I go. I got that visionary flow, I know, I go. I got that visionary flow, I know, I go. I got that visionary flow. Go flow, talk about my intellects. Find me out when you cross and you intersect. This true knowledge of this strong mind, conditioned to be the best of all time, I often find it parallel to my peers. Helping a brother or sister out of their careers, metallic consciousness destroys all fears, and on the front lines, warriors shed no tears. So be strong and put your fist up in the air. Keep waving it around like you just don't care. Keep bobbing your head to that hip-hop beats. I'm like Nat Turner, you will never defeat me with my visionary flows. Go flow, talk about my intellects. The moon pulls, contracts, straight causing the tides. Like the moon, you are the light, the sun reflects in your eyes. Processing in the brain what you feel and know. So feed in knowledge, don't ever stop, always go to the highest level of what you can overcome. Then that bastard oppressor can never call a nigga dumb. What? Fuck Donald Trump, hey! Fuck Donald Trump, hey! Fuck Donald Trump, hey! I got that visionary flow. Go flow, talk about my intellects. People, we will soon see the light. Children, the future may come tonight. Women rise up and stand tall. True men avoid obstacles that make you trip and fall. We may overcome all this shit that we deal with every day. It's a trip. And I know we will soon win the fight. Because on a holistic level, everybody gets real rights to be free. To be free as we can be. Never blinded by others that cannot see. We are strong as a unit when we come together. But freedom will only bring until we get real clever. To understand the true plan. The master plan. God's plan. Erase ignorance and unlearn your colonial lesson plan. Erase ignorance and unlearn your colonial lesson plan. To my visionary flows. Go, flow, talk about my intellect. When I whip that flow, I know, I go. When I whip that flow, I know, I go. When y'all whip that flow, you know, you go. When I whip that flow, I know, I go. All right.